The shadow position is what I call when the leader is either in front or behind the follower, and so they're facing the same way. And in this video, I want to talk about a very simple move, but it's very easily confused because people don't stick to their fundamentals. And the clip that I'm going to be using is by Marco and Sarah, one of my favorite couples in bachata. Okay, let's have a look at this clip. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. By 8, they've already completed the shadow position. Let's look at it one more time, but slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, this is ridiculously simple. This is literally just a left turn. Now let's focus on the girls part first, because this is very, very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's something different here. If you notice, he's got his hands here blocking. So for the girl, there's nothing different. All you have to do is step, 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 and tap, just like your basic. Except this time he will change your direction slightly, but do not step, tap, because he hasn't indicated any of that. So step, 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 tap. And as you can see, on 1, he's moving to the right, not to the left, because he's step tapping. So the 1 step tapping should be the guy. If you both step tap, then you're still gonna be on a different count. If you step tap, it's gonna be actually very confusing, because say for example, the girl is doing her normal step, 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 tap, and the guy is also doing his normal step, 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 tap. The next count, she will go this way and he will go this way, so it breaks apart, so it's gonna mess it up. This is where it goes wrong in social. Guys need to step, tap, step, tap, not step, 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 tap. Why? Because you're doing the shadow position where you guys are facing the same way. So do not make it hard for yourself, girls, because they haven't indicated anything that you should be step tapping. Very rarely in any type of lead that will be happening. Instead, you do your step, 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 tap. And guys, in most scenarios, most online courses that I've done, most teachers, everyone, is very, very rare that you can lead the step, tap, step, tap. It's almost impossible to lead it, especially if you're in front of her. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This episode 2. And so there's still a lot of things that can be improved, so let me know which ones you want to see first to be improved, if there's any particular move you'd like to go over. And also please like, share, and subscribe, and write a comment, and because stuff like that really, really helps, especially a small channel like this. And yeah, I'll see you next time.